A solid square block of wood is shown on the workbench, ready for shaping. The creator marks the outline of the bowl shape on the wood, preparing the design. A power saw begins cutting along the marked lines, gradually removing the excess outer sections of the block. More material is carved away in controlled passes, revealing the rounded form inside the square. The inner bowl area takes shape as additional layers are removed, showing the gradual hollowing process. The final form is revealed, a smooth, rounded wooden bowl emerging from what was originally a solid square block.